Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 128GB USB 3.1 flash drive on the market. The Amazon Basics 128GB ultra-fast USB 3.1 flash drive in black. Whether you're storing important files, high-resolution photos, or HD videos, this flash drive promises speed, reliability, and plenty of space all in a compact package. First off, this drive boasts a generous 128GB storage capacity, which means you can save up to 32,012 megapixel photos or nearly 8 hours of 1080p video. That's a lot of space for your digital life, whether for work, school, or personal use. The flash drive uses USB 3.1 technology, offering blazing fast read speeds of up to 130 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 30 megabytes per second. This speed is roughly 15 times faster than traditional USB 2.0 drives, making file transfers smoother and quicker, especially for large files or backups. The design is sleek and practical. It features a retractable, telescopic USB connector, which protects the metal USB part when not in use and eliminates the need for a separate cap that you could easily lose. There's also a keyhole, allowing you to attach it to a keyring or lanyard, keeping it safe and easy to carry. Compatibility-wise, the flash drive works best with devices that support USB 3.1 Gen 1 or USB 3.0 ports, but it's also backward compatible with USB 2.0 ports, although at reduced speeds. This flexibility ensures it can connect with most laptops, desktops, projectors, and even some smart TVs, making it a versatile storage companion. In terms of build quality, Amazon uses high-quality NAND flash memory chips, which not only enhance performance but also help protect your personal data. The drive is lightweight and compact, measuring just over 2 inches long and weighing less than half an ounce, so it won't weigh down your bag or pocket. When it comes to real-world use, this flash drive is perfect for professionals who need to transfer presentations or large files quickly. Students needing to save projects and assignments, and anyone wanting a reliable external storage solution without breaking the bank. The product also comes with the reassurance of Amazon's customer service and a 30-day return policy. If you encounter any issues or if the product arrives damaged, you can return it within a month for a full refund, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. To sum up, the Amazon Basics 128GB ultra-fast USB 3.1 flash drive offers excellent value with its combination of speed, storage, portability, and design. If you're looking for a dependable USB flash drive that handles large files efficiently without costing a fortune, this one should be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. Let us know in the comments what storage device you're currently using or planning to get next.